So this is my design of a motorcycle ramp if you don't have a lot of room to keep a table in your workspace. So it all begins with Harbor Freight, 2 step stools, $20 each on sale. Also Harbor Freight wheel chock, and this is the concept. Basically 2x4 frame that just rests on those stools. The plan is to secure them to the stools with a single bolt and a wing nut, and then that 3/4 inch plywood goes on top of there. So I screwed the 3/4 inch plywood for the deck. Next, I'm gonna install this. Got it at Home Depot. It's almost the exact width and height. Well, I have installed the vinyl runner. Didn't really need it, but I thought it might just protect it from some of the oil and grease. Plan on putting some aluminum corner molding along the sides. That's what I drilled and installed for the pin for the ramp, which I already had. And then I've also just installed the wheel chock. Well, it's not totally done, but I got my 2017 Kawasaki Versys X300 at about 400 pounds on there nicely. There's no bow in the middle. I walked it up the ramp without power. And yeah, now I can use this for my bicycles, and I can also store it away and use those stools for other things. So all for under $100. So pretty pleased.